Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens. I'm doing a barbecue right now. I'm going to show you something I do because you could purchase wood chips that are in a bag for like random prices, 5, 6, 10 bucks depending, cherry, hickory, apple, etc. So one year, this is a while back, why am I just throwing away my apple prunings or keeping some to graft with, but why am I throwing them away or putting them in the green bin when I could take them and use them for barbecue? So I'm going to show you right now how I do that. So after I prune them, like you see right here, all these long pieces, I get the thickest ones I could find, relatively, about an inch, half an inch to an inch thick, and then I cut them down to these little bits and let them dry. And then after they dry, I just throw about, a handful in the barbecue when it's time to cook. That way it could smoke. You see all that smoke coming up. So that apple would smoke on the meat that you're cooking or anything. Even apple wood smoked veggies even taste good. So that's what I like to do. Your garden isn't just about the fruit that it produces. Like, let's say, grape leaves that I have a long trellis of. You could stuff the grape leaves and make, like yalanchi or salma, dolma, and other things like that. There's other things you could do. I've seen people wrapping veggies in papaya leaves and then grilling that, or banana leaves. There's other things you could do. So look in your garden, figure out what that is, and see if you could use the most out of anything you can. Of course, as you all know, if you've been watching a while, Lulu's always in that corner. Once my headphones or microphone headphone comes on the camera, she knows I'm filming and she doesn't want the squirrels to bother me while we're filming. Happy gardening, everyone.